What if you could start making more money right away with the same effort from your affiliate offers? That's right, if you're doing affiliate marketing with ClickBank or any other affiliate program like a CPA network or a hosting company or whatever, we're going to show you 5 ways that you can start making money right away with no extra traffic, and it's super easy. But you might be asking, Marcus, what's this number behind you? Well, this is actually something I wanted to show you, which is real-world results that I woke up to today. Imagine waking up to almost $4,400 in your PayPal account from your affiliate commissions. Now, this is just on one affiliate offer, and it's not just from one day. This is from the sales that I made in September. They pay like net 60 or something like that. So it took a while to get paid, but hey, that's pretty cool. And we're going to show you how to get results. Now again, remember the results you see are not typical, implied, or guaranteed. The average affiliate marketer makes nothing, but I think if you follow this video, you're going to learn exactly what it takes to make money online with affiliate marketing. And we're going to start with those 5 tips on how to improve your conversions and make more money starting right now. Alright, so welcome inside. If you're new here, I'm Marcus, aka the Affiliate Marketing Dude, and if you like this stuff, make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you can get more stuff like this. Now let's dive in and talk about how you can make more money with ClickBank, ClickFunnels, whatever affiliate program you're promoting. We're going to show you how to make more money in 5 easy little tips that you can start implementing right away. Tip number 1 is to get a domain name. Now, what do I mean by this? I mean get a domain name for the niche you are going after. So if you're going for something like a weight loss program, you would want to do like weight loss tips or Marcus's tips or Marcus's weight loss tips or how to lose 10 pounds in a week or whatever it is, .com. All right, you want to be as close to the keyword you're going after as possible. So like a domain I just got was learnppconline.com for learn pay-per-click marketing online. Or if you're going for something like affiliate marketing, you get like affiliate marketing dude or affiliate dude. Something small, something easy to remember, something that says your title in it, and something that has to do with your niche. Now, you don't want to go for trademark stuff. If you are doing something like a ClickFunnels, you don't want to use the word ClickFunnels in your domain or the word ClickBank in your domain or the word Facebook in your domain. Don't use trademarks. Use your keywords, use your niche, get a domain people will remember that's easy to type in, right? You don't want to sit there and be like, go to Marcus hyphen, that's Marcus with a C, not a K, hyphen, whatever, right? You don't want to do that. You want something easy. AffiliateDude.com is easy. Hosting tips or Go Hub Site or Go Hosting or Lose Weight Now or something like that. Something easy that you can get them into. Now, that's tip number 1. The reason you want to have your own domain name is you want to send people back to you. You never, ever, ever want to promote a raw affiliate link on your page. Never, don't do it. Bad idea. Because if you promote an affiliate link raw, number 1, you're promoting that link, and that link will actually get picked up in the search engines, and later on down the road, if they change the link structure or the company goes out of business, you're hosed. You can't switch it. So what I recommend doing is have your own domain and put my affiliate link tracker on your domain. That way you can put whatever you want. I can have affiliatedude.com/host, affiliatedude.com/list, affiliatedude.com/live. I can make whatever I want, and it tracks it all really easy, and at the end of the day, I own the links. I can change them whenever I want. So instead of having to go into like a bunch of videos and change the links, boom, I can do it at the drop of a hat. So get your own domain, use your own links, don't ever use raw affiliate links. Another reason you don't want to use raw affiliate links is because you want to have an affiliate disclaimer. If you are not telling people that you are an affiliate and you're compensated for reviewing or recommending or sending them to a product, you can actually be in hot water, which sucks. We don't want to be in hot water legally. We want to do ethical stuff and follow the rules. So get a domain, put your disclaimer on there. The second thing you can do to make more money with affiliate marketing is have a landing page. What's a landing page? A landing page is quite simply a page that people land on. This could be a pre-sales page. This is where you say, hey, here's the offer I'm sending you to. Thanks for clicking here. Here's the offer. By the way, this is what the order page is going to look like. Here's where you sign up. Click the button. This is where you have your affiliate disclaimer. You say, I'm an affiliate. I get paid. I love this product. That's why I refer you. Very cool. A landing page could be something very simple, something that simply tells them what they're going to get when they sign up. Now, your landing page is actually going to increase conversions because this is your chance to pre-sell the offer. You could pre-sell it and say, this is what you're going to get. Very, very cool, very important. Step number 3 is to add a bonus or a giveaway. This is something really cool. Your visitors are coming to you because they like your content, they like your page, they like what you said. So now they're on your landing page and they're like, dude, I want to buy this thing. I want to buy this software, this video camera, whatever. And you might say, well, hey, check it out. I'm going to sell you this phone. And in order to get this phone, you're going to click here. But wait, I'm an affiliate. I get paid for selling you this phone, which is why I'm going to include 10 videos on how to use the phone. Pretty cool. Or a PDF on how to use the phone, or maybe a software that goes on it, or an app, or whatever. And you can give them something of value that is going to complement the affiliate offer. So if you're doing like a weight loss thing, you could say, well, get my guide on how I used their book to lose weight, or get my cheat sheet of the notes that I took while I was reading the book. Or if you're selling a course that has lots and lots of videos, hey, get my guide on what to go through first and how to get the most out of the course, right? That's going to add value. It's going to get you more sales, and you're going to spread goodwill in the marketplace by doing that. You can purchase bonuses, you can find bonuses, you can get the resale rights and stuff, whatever you want to make a bonus. If you make it yourself, you're going to convert a lot better. So I would recommend that. Number 4, build a mailing list. So when you make your landing page, instead of just saying, hey, go to this offer, buy the thing, you say put your name and email in so I can send you the bonus. They put their name and email, and boom, you get a mailing list whether they buy or not. You can remarket to them. You can send them messages and say, hey, check this out. I got this new thing for you, or I got this for you, or we're going to give you tips on how to use this, or whatever it is. And you can actually add value with your mailing list and get more traffic more often and make more sales. And at the end of the day, you're going to have a list of people that you can mail stuff to, email people, right? And by having that little landing page with the opt-in to intersect between your link and the offer, boom, you're going to do really well. Number 5, this is very important. When you get people to your page, make sure you tell them how to sign up. This is simple, but it works. So oftentimes on my webinars, I will say, hey, welcome to my page. Make sure that you sign up on this page. Here's what the order form is going to look like. Put your name where it says name, put your email. Now, do I do this because I don't think people know how to fill out a page? Of course not. You know how to fill out a page. It's not that hard. So what I do is I tell them anyway so that they, in their mind, they're preconditioned to see it, and when they get to the page, it's going to be a lot easier. And you can tell them what's going to happen after they order. You can say, after you order, you're going to get this. Make sure you choose your logins or download this thing or purchase the product or whatever so that they're ready to go and they're ready to buy the thing that you are recommending. These are 5 easy tips that you can use right away to start getting more results. Now, we got lots of other trainings for you on this channel. Like I said, make sure you subscribe, click the bell, join us live every Wednesday at 10 a.m. so that we can help you make more money with your affiliate offers. Thanks for watching. I'm Marcus, the Affiliate Marketing Dude, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm actually going to pop up a video right over here somewhere that's going to show you how to do everything I just talked about. It's over there. Click it. Thanks for watching.